Hi everyone, welcome back to Sun's Arts. If you're new, welcome to the family. DIY number 1. I'm taking one of these dice cubes that I got from children's section of Dollar Tree and I'm going to paint it apple barrel white on top of it. I'm going to let it dry and come back and give a second coat on top of it. And here it is, our second coat. Now all of them are dried and I'm going to take some of these wooden letters from Dollar Tree and I'm going to spell out home, love, farm and fall, all 4 lettered words. So I'm going to paint them black chalk paint on top of those wooden letters. Now the blocks are all dried and also my letters are also dried. So I'm going to arrange all 4 of the blocks on top of each other in an angle and I'm going to stick one on top of each other. And there you have it, my cube blocks arranged on top of each other. And now I'm going to take those letters and arrange home just like that on one side of the cube. Using a dab of hot glue, I'm going to stick all those letters. And I'm arranging fall on one side of it, just like that. Now my cube is all ready with 4 sides, home, fall, love and farm. Now I can stop here, but I wanted to decorate it more by adding some flowers on the top. And I got some nice beige sunflowers which has got like black center. So I wanted to stick 3 flowers. So the flowers will be shown whichever direction the cube will be facing. This is the final reveal of my home sign, and this is kind of reversible. If you turn this way, it's fall, and this is love, which I can use for Valentine's time, and this is farm, that is you can use for year round. So for now I'm going to keep it as fall because this is fall season. So this is one of the cute signs that I'm in love with. So let me know your thoughts on this. This video is in collaboration with Quick Change Challenge. And this is hosted by Theresa or Theresa BDIY and co-hosted by Dave's Reads and Things and What's Jamie Making. I'll leave the link of their channels in my description box as well as the playlist of all the participants. On to DIY number 2. And this is one of the beige shadow box that I used for watermelon project. And I'm going to repurpose the same box, and I'm having this fall sign from another shadow box, and I'm going to attach this with one of the Jenga block in the back, and the plan is to have velcro in the back and replace it with different signs at different seasons. So that's the plan, and I'm going to decorate this fall sign with a lot of fall florals and pumpkin, just like this. Now my fall bunch is ready finally, so I am going to attach it to the velcro just like that, and this is it. So what do you think? And I gathered some of my Christmas decorative pieces like ornaments and some shiny stuff, and then Christmas flowers and berries and things like that, and I'm going to organize everything using a Jenga block just like that, and I'm also going to stick a piece of velcro on the back. So when Christmas or winter comes up, I'm going to remove that velcro and attach this one with the same background. So what do you think? I'm just loving this. And I used the shadow box for one of my watermelon sign, and I just had this nice beautiful background on it, so I thought I should make use of it for this project as well. I brought together all the Christmas decor pieces, and I actually stuck it on one of the Jenga block with the velcro in the back, which is removable. And for now I'm going to keep this fall sign. So this is also another velcro stuff that I can stick and change according to the seasons. So this is another cute sign that I'm in love with, so let me know your thoughts on this as well. On to DIY number 3. This cute wooden sign is from Dollar Tree, and this has got some swivel wooden piece in the middle, so you can use it for different seasons or purposes. So I'm going to use the back part of it, so I'm removing the tag, and I removed the burlap handles. I'm going to use apple barrel white paint, and I'm going to paint the back completely, and I'm also going to paint that piece of wooden in the center as well, which is moving. While that is drying, I'm going to paint these poster stickers from Dollar Tree, and I'm going to use the chalkboard black paint, and I'm going to paint the letters that I'm going to use it for this sign. Now while the letters are getting dried, I'm going to decorate this board because this is dried now, and I'm going to take this very famous rub-on sticker that everybody uses, so it's my turn now. So I'm going to use that wreath in the center just like that, and I'm going to rub it, and there you have it. So now I'm going to use those letters, rub-on letters. I'm going to stick celebrate in the bottom of the wreath, and this is also a rub-on, so I'm going to rub until those letters show up. And some part of the C and E was not coming out right, so I just highlighted it with some of my black marker. And also I'm going to use this bow for this burlap black polka dotted ribbon that I got from Dollar Tree, and also I'm going to use the buffalo checker together. So this is how I'm going to fold the bow, and with a dab of a hot glue I'm going to stick on top of the board. And off camera I just stuck the fall stickers on that moving wooden piece. Now after I move that wooden piece, I'm going to stick joy, which I painted, and I'm going to stick on the other side just like that. And that's it, our sign is ready. I am just loving it. And this is another reversible sign, and I just got this from Dollar Tree, which has this changeable tag or a wooden piece, I don't know. Like you saw the process, I just painted white and I stuck a green color rub-on sticker, and I also stuck celebrate, and these are the fall letters, the stickers that I painted black, and that's the bow with the polka dotted burlap, and also one of the buffalo plate in the center bow, and I have a small pumpkin. So this is a fall sign, and when Christmas or winter time, I'm going to change it to joy, just like this. So this is another cute sign I'm in love with, so let me know your thoughts on this as well. The final reveal. These are the few simple and easy Dollar Tree based changeable signs or projects, DIYs. So I'm in love with it, so let me know your thoughts. Which one is your favorite, and you want to give any suggestions towards my channel, I would appreciate that. Like I always say, if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, I hope you would consider subscribing, and thank you so much for watching today. I'll see you again.